Today we're installing a Madjax Universal Arm Rest designed for the rear seat kit. Included in the kit are 2 armrests, 4 bolts, and a template. To do this, we're going to use a marking pin, 2 cordless drills, a 10mm socket, a 5/16 drill bit, and safety equipment. Now let's get started. Our first step, we went ahead and cut our template out of our sheet. We're going to place that on the top of our armrest. We want our first hole to be right at the flat spot right before the contour of our curves in the armrest. Mark that hole with your pin. Mark your second hole with your pin. Now we're ready to drill our holes out. Make sure to wear eye protection. Once you're happy with your 2 drill locations, drill out for your hardware bolts. Now we're ready to attach our armrest using the hardware provided. We want to attach it to the armrest just like this, with the straight side of the armrest pointed inside to the seat kit. We're going to hand tighten our hardware. Once both bolts are installed, then we can tighten securely. Now we repeat this process on the passenger side. Once you have both armrests attached, you are now finished installing your Madjax Universal Arm Rest designed for a rear seat kit.